piece that I wrote, I taught it to the band, and I've done this every year where I teach it to the band by rote. It's the same way that Duke Ellington and Count Basie would teach their band big pieces sometimes. And a friend of mine actually um, had a chance to be in the Duke Ellington band, and when he joined the band, and they gave him the trumpet book, and he opened it up, and it had like pieces of napkins with notes written on it, and like a McDonald's bag with some notes written on it. It had all these different things, because they were just kind of on the road, and Duke would give them these songs kind of last minute. So it was a way to learn the song, but when you learn it this way, you're not just reading it, you're feeling it, you're remembering it, and you're doing it from the heart. So the story behind Air Conditioner is about 2, 3 weeks ago, I was in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I had a very awesome time. If you've ever been to Salt Lake, it's fantastic. It's mountains, like everywhere you go. It's like you go to Trader Joe's, look up, oh, there's mountains. It's like, oh, I'll go to McDonald's, oh, there's mountains. I mean, it's amazing. So my hotel room was a great hotel room, but the air conditioner broke. And it kept making all these weird noises, right? So the first noise it made, let's play that first one. Boo-ba-doo-doo. Let me hear that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It was making this kind of, it was making this weird noise, right? It was keeping me up. And then it was making this other noise, right? Let me hear the trumpets, let me hear your part. Do da da, after you 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3. 3, 4. It was making something kind of like that going on at the same time. And then underneath all that was this lower part that was playing too. Now, now at this point I'm awake and I'm listening to it and I'm thinking, this would be a great song for Livonia High School. This is going to be awesome. That's how my brain works. I mean, at first I was like, I need to get some sleep. I got a concert tomorrow. And I was like, wait a minute. Okay. All right, trombones, let me hear your part. Boo, boo, bee, boo, bee. 1, 2, 3. Right on, right on. It didn't actually sound exactly like that, but you get the point. I was kind of in the moment, I was feeling it. And, but all those things were happening at the same time. So I hope you enjoy my composition, Air Conditioner. one was very good as the last one after the other, I must say.